Hello everyone, this video is for the private channel. Let's try to look at the current situation very briefly but nevertheless meaningfully. So let's start with the monthly candles. There is a strong oversold condition here. This is not a guarantee of a reversal. A reversal will happen when this indicator in the form of a red line makes an upward break. So far much points to a decline to the 58,500 area to the 50-month average. Next we look at the weekly candles. Here we had a downward break, and this suggests that the trend may have changed from a local uptrend to a downtrend. And here, accordingly, our target is the 200-week average in the region of $59,500. Let's see if we had an engulfing pattern here. Well, the opening of this candle was unclear when. Now we'll expand it. So the opening of this candle was 65,971. And the closing of this candle was 66,010. No, we didn't have an engulfing, but nevertheless, the situation overall is more in favor of a decline at the moment. Looking at the daily candles. Here note that we tested the 50-day once again and reached the lower boundary. Well, not the lower one, we didn't reach the lower one. In a local sense, when we look at our lower boundary, it passes. Let's go ahead and turn on the magnet. Now, as we do that, it passes as well. Well, let's take the very lowest close, which is right here. We've tested it several times. 65,770. Until we pass this level, we don't talk about 62,900 or 63,000. But if we pass it, the chances increase not only to reach 63, but also to hit the 50-month and 200-week that is below $60,000. Therefore, our key support now is 65,776. Note that the 12-hour candles made a downward break on the overbought, oversold indicator, and overall they are, well, weekly, but overbought. We have a full bearish engulfing here, first of the growth candle that hit the 100 period average, second of this large green candle, which we can engulf in the remaining 2 hours and 8 minutes. And much indicates that this will happen. That is, the overall picture on the monthly, weekly, daily, and even 12-hour time frame speaks in favor of a decline. The only thing is that we have a form growth target here in the region of $69,000, but the market ignored it, and we can work it out later. On the 4-hour candles, the dynamics of the overbought, oversold indicator are directed downwards, which indicates a downtrend. And strictly speaking, there is nothing pointing to growth right here and now, except for this candle, which was green the previous 4-hour one, but we have already hit a new low on it, and that suggests that most likely the downward movement will continue once again. On the hourly candles, yes, there are some moderate oversold conditions, but that is not enough to start talking about any buying. We will wrap up today's review here. It is going to be a short one. Going forward, I will try to do daily, short reviews like this. Maybe we will replace the big and small monitors with video clips like these.